Welcome to the news. I'm Ganesh Puja. Here are the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks with Paris Paralympics medalists Praveen Kumar and Hokato Hotoje Sema. Amit Shah promises statehood restoration for Jammu and Kashmir. Meghalaya's Steve Jarwa seeks public support for Best India Dancer. BJP spokesperson calls for inquiry into JJM allegations. And KSU and RBYF launch a football tournament to promote sports and fight drug abuse. Let's look at the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a telephonic conversation with Paris Paralympics medalists Praveen Kumar and Hokato Hotoje Sema today. Modi praised Hokato Hotoje Sema for winning a medal at his first Paralympics at the age of 40. He also commended Praveen Kumar for leveraging the internet during his training to enhance his performance. Union Minister of Sports Mansukh Mandavia reaffirmed the government's commitment to enhancing training facilities for athletes and coaches. Speaking during a ceremony to honour the returning Paris Paralympic athletes, Mandavia highlighted efforts to develop international standard sports infrastructure to boost performance. Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that the restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir can only be achieved through the central government and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Speaking at a BJP rally in Jammu, Shah reiterated his August 2019 assurance to the Parliament that statehood would be reinstated at the right time following assembly elections. He emphasized that these upcoming elections will be historic, marking the first assembly polls since the revocation of Article 370. For the first time since independence, Shah noted the people of Jammu and Kashmir will vote under one flag, the tricolour and one constitution. Steve Jarwa, a young dancer from Meghalaya, is competing in the Best India Dancer competition and is calling for public support. At a press conference held at Shillong Press Club, Jarwa's family, along with leaders from the All Meghalaya Dancer Association or AMDA, urged the public to vote for him through the Sony Live app every Saturday and Sunday. K. Thaba, president of AMDA, highlighted past successes such as the support for Amit Paul and the Shillong Chamber Choir. Thaba urged the community to rally behind Jarwa, emphasizing that their support could help him achieve his goal of bringing recognition and pride to the state of Meghalaya.
Amit Paul, Shillong Chamber Choir, Marketi, Bapoy Level Bahe, and Raymenta Negasian Gaba, Nagalian Ocean, which you pay in Sha, no why, and they got up as a command mark done in Nongshan. Wala Kiwin, but Wala Poi, Hakalabel Bahe, Kabalai too. Yung kumway rukra nongsha ba tipin jom jalan Meghalaya jadi berkuai. Anda play Play Store download itu Sony Live kila option baik yang dot jom Steve but if John is Steve kan long kebun i kebun atau kila kebun chispa kak yang boleh.
M.H. Kharkrang, spokesperson for the BJP Meghalaya unit, has urged the government to conduct a thorough inquiry into the allegations surrounding the Jal Jeevan mission and to provide clarity on the issue. Kharkrang emphasized that the claims made by Bernard Marak should be taken seriously and are likely based on factual evidence. He criticized the government's denial of any issues related to JJM. Regarding the NPP-BJP relationship, Kharkrang acknowledged that political friction and allegations are common, but assured that such issues are typically resolved over time.
I guess Mr. Bernard Marak, if he has made any allegations, must have been based on various facts, and probably he must have done RTI, or maybe he has gone on the field to inquire about it. And there has been a denial from the government side. But I feel that ultimately, if these things keep coming up, I think that it's high time that the government really actually conducts an inquiry into it and find out whether, and come clean upon it, and whether it's actually what he's alleging is true or false. Because ultimately these are public, public funds, and if such allegations are there, keep on coming, I think it's high time for the government to conduct an inquiry into it.
Shillong College celebrated its graduation day on Saturday, honouring the achievements of its students. Iban Pentingan Kshar, a rank holder in Hindi from Bannuin, highlighted the growing job opportunities for Hindi teachers due to the increasing number of schools making Hindi compulsory. She shared that her interest in the language was sparked by observing her father's enthusiasm for learning Hindi. Assistant Professor of Hindi, Dayapira Kharsati, emphasized that proficiency in Hindi offers numerous personal and professional benefits.
Kibriau kipuan bagi orang pakai Hindi kalau kebajenjar. Henry defi persang pada defi minat bankran ni ketua ketian kan long kebajenjar. Dia kepuan opportunity maka tukam opportunity ki ai shoi di kena lagi di you lagi di SD. Sama kiduna pat ki kuliah ke Hindi. Dia bansi ki haban ai kamno ikiwai ke bari syapal. Dia aku apa pan ai di ai ban ni sekhwat kan kena khasi la dia pa kin sangan kuliah ke kin khasi pa kibriau la di hite kin jo kam haga jakala di om ki.
The students are encouraged to learn Korean or Mandarin or any other language which is very much international. Okay, fine, if they want to go and search for a job there, or they want to learn any language, like I said, there's no harm in learning a language. But I think by learning Hindi, it will help. Everyone knows it will help if you go to any part of the country. I think business is one thing, because I know some people who just discontinued their business just because they can't communicate in Hindi, and there's many more aspects, like I told you.
A vibrant Ganesh Puja celebration was held at Hindi school and various locations across Shillong yesterday. Students and teachers joined together for puja and archana of Lord Ganesh, including Ganesh Vandana, bhajans and cultural events. The festivities featured the establishment of Lord Ganesh's idol, followed by prayers and prasad distribution, emphasizing Ganesh Puja's role in inspiring knowledge, wisdom and righteous living. Yesterday, the KSU and RBYF Killing Unit kicked off a football tournament designed to raise awareness about drug abuse and to encourage youth engagement in sports. The opening ceremony, held at the Jorbil Killing Playground, was inaugurated by Lombok Rumbai, office bearer of the KSU Reboy unit. In the inaugural match, Benris Football Club secured a decisive 16-0 win against Majau Football Club. Rumbai praised the efforts of the KSU and RBYF, highlighting the tournament's goals of both fostering community welfare and identifying talented young athletes. He also reaffirmed the organization's commitment to tackling drug smuggling and addiction, issues that have severely impacted many young lives.
Ki players so ki yok mensim haba lada kumne ki nong penyat ya kini ki tournament ki bahe kumne yok mensim namar ba lada ka he ka tournament ka he ka jingel ka lene ka sap ka prong ka pin iro kalong bahe.
The Umden Khasi Catholic Church in Reboy district celebrated the blessing of its new grotto led by Father Peter Siemle, parish priest of Nongpo. The grotto was inaugurated by MLA Meral Bon Siem with Father Michael Khongain, parish priest of Umdem, and other guests present. The event featured performances by the Umden Khasi Women's Organization and local children. MLA Siem praised the project and wished the church continued success.
Rong ba balang dong ya gilong ying baro naga mentaban penurlong ya kene gatam but keladan gejing kendu gejing syam ban pensengap ban ai gejing erap but hagijing persang ban tre yi kam hopo jong gadong bakat han gejumi kat bala ga buit kabor gi persang hi ban ya sno kti ban ai gejing erap la sisa kam la ban kot 6% tenre kat bala ila persang ban keder gi kti jong gejing erap.
Mulang Yalong secured a hard-fought 1-0 victory over Lum Su Yung New Hill in the final of the 3rd Division Football Tournament, also known as the 4th Adalbert Lalu Memorial Trophy. The match, held yesterday at Kyang Nangba Stadium, ended in a goalless draw after regular time, leading to extra time. Richard Dhar scored the decisive goal in the 93rd minute, ensuring Mulang Yalong's triumph and the championship trophy. Post-match, awards were given to the standout players of the tournament. The Paris Paralympics 2024 will conclude late tonight, marking a historic moment for India, which has achieved its best ever medal tally at the Games. The Indian contingent has secured a remarkable 29 medals, including 7 gold, 9 silver and 13 bronze, propelling the nation to 16th place in the overall medal standings. The closing ceremony, set to be held at France's National Stadium, Stade de France, will feature a vibrant array of performances and speeches by dignitaries. Gold medal winning archer Harvinder Singh and sprinter Preeti Pal will lead the Indian team as flag bearers during the ceremony. Here's a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 27.9 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 59%, rising to 84% in the evening. The forecast tells us light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers are very likely to occur at many places. And now for a quick recap of the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi speaks with Paris Paralympics medalists Praveen Kumar and Hokato Hotoje Sema. Amit Shah promises statehood restoration for Jammu and Kashmir. Meghalaya's Steve Giroir seeks public support for Best India Dancer. BJP spokesperson calls for inquiry into JJM allegations. And the KSU and RBYF launch a football tournament to promote sports and fight drug abuse. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Until then, have a good evening.